Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Here are today's top stories. Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, has promised to extend the Aam Aadmi Party's AAP free power and water scheme to tenants if the party wins the upcoming 2025 Delhi Assembly election. The promise, which aims to bring greater relief to Delhi's tenants, comes as part of a series of welfare measures announced by Kejriwal in the run-up to the polls. He addressed concerns from tenants across Delhi, saying that they too deserve access to these benefits, many of whom are currently left out despite living in rented accommodations. In other news, Kareena Kapoor Khan has given her statement to the police regarding the violent attack on her husband, Saif Ali Khan, at their Mumbai residence. During the attempted robbery, Saif was stabbed multiple times, sustaining severe injuries. Kareena revealed that while the attacker became aggressive during the confrontation, he did not take any of the jewelry that was kept in the open. Saif is currently recovering after undergoing multiple surgeries and is said to be out of danger. Turning to international news, the first phase of the Israel-Hamas ceasefire deal in Gaza has begun, bringing a temporary pause to the 15-month-long war. As part of the deal, hostages and prisoners will be released, and buffer zones will be established to ensure safety and facilitate further negotiations. This phase, which will last for 42 days, includes the release of 33 hostages by Hamas and the exchange of 737 prisoners, alongside Israel's decision to allow displaced Palestinians to return home. In sports news, Karun Nair's stunning form in the ongoing Vijay Hazare Trophy has raised hopes for his inclusion in India's Champions Trophy squad. The 33-year-old has been in excellent form, having scored 5 centuries and maintaining an average of 752 in the tournament. His performances have made him a strong contender for a place in the national squad, with discussions surrounding his selection heating up ahead of the prestigious tournament. In political news, former President Donald Trump's inauguration, originally planned to take place outdoors at the U.S. Capitol, has been moved indoors due to the severe Arctic blast currently affecting the region. The decision has sparked various reactions on social media, with many poking fun at the situation, while others are focusing on the historical implications of his second-term inauguration. In Mumbai, another flash strike by Whitley's bus drivers has disrupted best bus services. The strike, which took place after drivers raised concerns over delayed salaries, caused delays of up to 30 minutes, affecting transport in South Mumbai. The police have intensified their efforts to address the concerns of the drivers, who continue to push for their wages to be paid in a timely manner. Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan, who was involved in a violent attack earlier this week, is currently recovering after undergoing surgery for multiple stab wounds. Saif was attacked during an attempted robbery at his home in Bandra, Mumbai. The actor's condition has improved, and he is expected to make a full recovery. In Delhi, opposition leader Rahul Gandhi has slammed the government after meeting with patients and families stranded outside AIIMS hospital. Gandhi raised concerns about the lack of proper facilities for those waiting for treatment, criticizing both the Delhi and central governments for their insensitivity towards the struggling families. He emphasized the need for urgent improvements to healthcare infrastructure. In Patna, a tragic incident occurred when an oxygen cylinder exploded near a private hospital on Bhutnath Road, killing one person and severely injuring another. The explosion also resulted in significant damage to nearby property, and the injured victim is currently undergoing treatment in a hospital. Lastly, Vivek Ramaswamy, the Indian-origin entrepreneur, responded humorously to a parody account claiming he was running for governor of Ohio. The post, which quickly went viral, led Ramaswamy to clarify that it was not from his official account, jokingly adding that the idea of running for office didn't sound bad. That's all for the 9 p.m. bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching Channel 6 Network.